See, that's G-Pop calling Daddy. Up.
Hello. Well, I don't really worry about that.
Say up.
Ow.
Up.
Ow. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Say uh-oh.
Soon to be.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
What's wrong with Ella?
Oh. Is that how you feel about yourself on the camera?
You still in Stanford basketball?
More? You want more? More? Yeah, good girl.
Really?
Can I have a kiss? Say kisses? Sydney.
Okay.
Sydney. Come on and kisses.
I didn't realize that it was on tonight.
Blah, blah. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.